Okay, this video will be showing you how to draw a ninja. Now this is what it'll look like when you're done. Okay, so you're going to start drawing the big curve. And then drawing two lines coming out of it. And it's going to go up, stop right up there. Then you start drawing the arm and hand. Get down to the arm. Do the other arm. Stop right here. And do the head. Okay. You can make two lines going across the head to make a ninja mask. And those little eyes. And then the belt. The body should be a little bit shorter. I should actually make the curve a little bit smaller there. You know, move the belt down. And draw a little knot in the belt. That's the ninja. Now, if you want to, you can add cool weapons coming out, like a ninja sword to the back. And then scythe kind of X shape. And going on the back of the head. And the belt. If you want, you can draw a ninja star there and some nunchucks. Okay. And if you want to add any more stuff to them, you can.